Hey guys, Dave, Sticky RX. Want to show off some new cool shop signs that we put together. We did all this in-house, fully vertically integrated. We got a new Epson large format printer. So we made these janitorial restroom signs, which are very cool. We made a whole bunch of department signs. I'll show you those. There's receiving. And we learned this from Chuck from In the Ditch. We want to treat our shop and we want to excel to be where the shop is paradise. So that's what we're kind of calling the shop here. As I walk through, I'll show you different department signs. There's disassembly. Now what we did is we color coded those signs based on the GPS tape of that station, wherever we possibly could. They're not all that way, but most are. Here's our paint department. In the back, you see the Kaizen crib where we build all this really cool stuff. Okay, we got tool room. So anywhere in the facility you look now, you can see what the departments are. There's CNC milling. There's our nut up build stations. This is part preparation. Again, receiving. And these are three-sided, so you can see them really anywhere throughout the shop, which is very cool. So we've got engineering and graphics there. There's shipping. We've got laser here. Assembly. Again, our nut up build stations. We've got two different versions. CNC milling straight ahead. And we've got our break room, grocery, and we'll take you into the break room and show you some cool stuff in there. So we also put a paradise sign up here again as we're going out into paradise. Now, some of this has been shown in other videos, but we'll show you our restroom here. So we've got these signs, but of course we've got our restroom standards, which are really cool and fun. So this is mostly for guests so that they know what we expect. We've got our new lobby sign in front, which is really cool here. Okay, this is to keep salesmen from disturbing us when we're working. We had one gentleman that didn't seem to know how to read this, par for the course. Now here's the really gem. This is our sandbox, our morning meeting area. I'm gonna go into the center and then I'll zoom around a little bit. Want to give credit to a lot of this to Chuck from In the Ditch, Ryan Tierney from Seating Matters, Paul Akers, of course. We learned a lot from all these different people, so it's very cool. So there you go, there's paradise. We're in our meeting area, sandbox. So we've got our mission statement right here. Now we've got our company culture board. This is very important. Once again, learn this from Chuck. Our culture definitions are a little different, but we're going to run the company based on these values. Then we have the 8 wastes here. Of course, we have 3S and PDCA from Edwards Deming. T-type leader, got this right from Chuck In the Ditch, very cool. Some lean management principles. Then down this wall, we have a leadership board, what it takes to be a leader in this facility, in this company that is. Japanese vocabulary, this is kind of a fun board. Then down here, we've got some lean sayings. Got a lot of this from guys in the community and Ryan Tierney's boards. This is really cool stuff. And then this is currently our conference room, but we're retooling it to a lounge. So actually we just sold the conference table. That's gonna be coming out of here. I'll turn the light on. We're gonna get rid of the conference table, all these chairs, and we're gonna put seating in here, lounge seating, love seat, couch, a side table, and this is just gonna be a lounge area, which would be very cool. So once again, the morning meeting area is really epic. We got all these plants, my girlfriend does, really trying to make it a beautiful space for everyone. I'll come back out here. And to end this, as we label this room our sandbox. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.